CAG report, CAG report तो मायकल सांगतलो, बट वॉट आय एम सेइंग इज CAG रिपोर्टाचे एलिगेशन केले 2005 वर्साची पयलींचे. हांव तुका सांगून दाखोवंक सोदता, आय हॅव नॉट ब्रॉट पेपर्स, बट आय विल शो यू GTDCचे CAGचे रिपोर्ट आशिल्ले फाटले काय वर्सां हाऊ येतरी वी हॅव इम्प्रूव्ड. देर इज नॉट अ सिंगल थिंग अँड CAG has directly said there is nothing to be pointed out in this audit. It is perfectly well हे वर्साचे.
मायकल बाब इतले जेन्ना तुगेलो सामको विजय बाब दाखयता काडून की आपण उलयलो आनी सांजे हें जालें म्हणून यू आर कम्फर्टेबल विथ दिस.
See, I'll tell you.
निलेश बाब म्हणटा की आसा जाल्यार आमी इन्व्हेस्टिगेट करतात. ही इज नॉट सेइंग इट इज नॉट, ही इज सेइंग वील प्रोब.
I'm not sure. We don't know, no.
2007.
हांव अंतरांनी अजून जाऊ ना तो जाला तसो म्हणजे कितें अंतर करेक्ट म्हणट पडतो अंतर आमी कितें तपास करून
See,
म्हाका
from the year 2007 till 2012, CAG report clearly states that there was wasteful expenditure. What is the meaning of wasteful expenditure? Wasteful expenditure is also including corruption. म्हणजे खंय तरी सुबेज पयशे म्हणलेले आहा.
ते बेश्टेच म्हणून न्ही तूं कोणा तरी फायद जावपाक म्हणून म्हणटा.
CAG रिपोर्टान डायरेक्ट पॉइंट आउट केला तेचेर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन आयज पासून स्टार्ट करूंक ना. आमचे एक MLA
तू किस्ता निलेश बाबान करपाची म्हणून ते
ना आमचे एक MLA मागला इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन 2007 to 2012 जितलो एक्सपेंडिचर ट्युरिझम डिपार्टमेंटान आणि GTDCन केला तेचेर एक इन डीप इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावं.
आर यू फॉर इट?
ऑफकोर्स.
आणि this is before my government could take over.
बरोबर.
And
You
there is
want
a-
him to investigate
No,
it.
there is a clear cut report on that. CAG report is there. Why the government is till today hesitating to investigate? This is my first question. मागीर फुडले आता करूया. फुडले जो तर विजय म्हणटा आता हे 2 वर्सांक आमी खूब पयशे मोडल्या, वेस्टफुल एक्सपेंडिचर जाला, हे जाला ते जाला, तो तेका दिवनी डायरेक्टराक दिवनी चीफ मिनिस्टराक दिवनी पयला आदले आहा ते पयले करूंक नाका.
ते इतली ओपनली उलयता आसतना तुका कितें हांसपा येता?
म्हाका इतल्याच हांसूंक जाता कित्याक रुलींग बेंचीस और रुलींग MLAs हॅव टू कम आउट विथ आन्सर्स, नॉट विथ क्वेश्चन्स. Michael Lobo has a big question, which question is more for you and me, because we are not the ruling, he is the ruling. He doesn't seem to be having an answer. अरे CAG रिपोर्ट जे कितें म्हणटा ताजेर जर गव्हर्नमेंट इन्क्वायरी करपाक तयार आहा, CAG रिपोर्टान खूब गोष्टी म्हणल्या ज्यो आज गव्हर्नमेंटाक अनकम्फर्टेबल आहा, गव्हर्नमेंट करूंक तयार आहा. आदवोगादाची फी धरून खूब गोष्टी म्हणिल्ल्यो आहा. हांव ताजेर आय एम नॉट गोइंग इनटू डिटेल्स. माय ओनली थिंग इज Nilesh says that we should be concerned that the only backbone of our economy has to grow, it has to prosper, and everybody should contribute towards it.
Correct.
Now, I am trying to remind Nilesh as well as Michael that I have always been a critic of the government and I am the opposition. I have only once supported the demands. That was for tourism. Never have I ever supported their government.
I totally
Why
agree.
did I do it? I did it because I also believe that tourism has to improve. And now with mining being closed, that is the only lifeline of our economy. So आता improve करपाक कितें करप? एक म्हणल्यार अशें धरया की वेस्टफुल एक्सपेंडिचर जालो तो रिपीट करप आनी मागीर इतल्याच पिरियडाचे मागप ना. नंबर 2, तुमचे फोकस एरियाज खंयचे आहा?
No, secondly, you had made some serious allegations on GTDC also.
No, see, I am saying Competition Commission and Central Vigilance Commission. हांव कित्याक उलयता? इतल्या खातीर उलयता की GTDC is been now the nodal agency and the special purpose vehicle.
Correct.
And as a result of this, it is circumventing the supervision of the finance department.
Yeah.
Now this is
How is that?
this is
No, how is that?
wrong.
Let me
I'll tell you. I'll tell you how.
But don't go on an extreme.
No,
First
one
tell me
minute.
what is the meaning
There
of
is a state level marketing committee, SLMPC, which was formed on 8/1/2003. This uses funds which are allocated to GTDC as special purpose vehicle as grant in aid for promotional activities.
No.
One
No,
minute.
I'll
This
correct
is an
you.
answer
I will
given
correct
to
you.
Rohan Conte's
See,
question
no,
today.
no, it is not like that.
See,
I'll explain to you.
I'm come well prepared.
No,
with
I
what
am
I'm
also come
speaking.
well prepared because when I know it, why
No,
should I?
see, one minute. You are not part of the cabinet. This is a cabinet. This is a cabinet
He is a
decision.
chairman of GTDC.
No, it may be.
आता कॅबिनेट म्हणटा माझे ऐक
Let me complete.
What is your point?
How can you complete
My
when
point is,
Okay, what is your
my
point
point
quickly?
is,
तो सगळे भाषण
Okay.
नाव गिरा होतो
No, I'll
एक
come to
पॉइंट
you.
काढला मला दुसरा पॉइंट
Wait. What is your point quickly?
I am only saying that this is a very elaborate scam.
How?
Which wants to circumvent finance department. Finance department
How
objection
finance- but they
येवपाचे.
सांग-
Objection
Okay,
येवपाचे.
okay.
कशे
Some
finance
quantum of
department
funds
कशे ना?
spent.
निलेश बाब
अरे, my dear-
निलेश बाब सारे शब्दांत
my
तो
dear-
सांगता
my
की
dear-
तुम्ही फायनान्स डिपार्टमेंटाक फायल धाडना आसतना भायले भायर पैसे खर्च करतात
पिशेपणा तेका पळय कोण पळय फिडींग दिता पळय तेका फिडींग चुकीची दिता हांव तेका आतां सांगता कितें तें विजया खबर ना से आय विल टेल यू GTDC इज अ बॉडी विच इज बीन इंटरेस्टेड बट ईच अँड एवरी फायल गोज टू द गव्हर्मेंट फॉर अप्रुवल GTDC only purpose why GTDC had that SPV कित्याक करपाक लागले आय विल टेल यू सेंटराचे फंड जेन्ना फाटी येयल्ले म्हणजे तेन्ना मिकी इज अ मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो दे वे ऑलमोस्ट 80 to 85 crores which come from the center 100 crores for river princess removal there were so many funds which came from the center which were never there when this government took over
Never utilized.
never utilized नाही अरे
Utilized
युटिलाइज
for some other
पैसेच
purpose.
ना ट्रेजरिंग भितरी ते GTDC म्हणजे टुरिझम इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वाडोवपाचे पैसेच ना That is the reason SPV was created. I told CM this is creation required because if we want to get more funds from the center, we have to create this infrastructure development corporation. Reason is only because now आता किती झाला सी पार्किंग लॉट तू पहिला that fund तेका 5 कोटी येयल्ले जेटीचे 8 कोटी येयल्ले अशें करून ते सगळे 85 कोटी येयल्ले नॉट अ सिंगल मनी वॉज स्पेंड आणि जेन्ना हांव
बागान येयल्ले 11 करोड
11 कोटी बागा येयल्ले
बागा
11 कोटी न्ही 7-8 crores but what I'm saying is when we took over, minister took over as I was made chairman, I studied the full scenario. I came to know that if I will continue this process, next 5 years I will not be able to do anything. It took me 6 months, first 6 months in my tenure to form this thing.
You are not avoiding finance department
Let
scrutiny.
me finish. Let me finish. एक दोन मिनट काम करता. So now this fund had to be utilized. There was no money in the exchequer of this fund. So what had to happen is this money had to be utilized by bringing state fund. स्टेट फंडचे पैसे हाडून ते युटिलायझेशन सर्टिफिकेट आता आम्ही इले करून ऑलमोस्ट 100% दिवपाचे तयारेन आज जाला आता फाल्यां हेच इलेक्शन करतले फुडल्या असेंब्लीक डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर बीजेपीचो आशिल्लो ट्युरिझम मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो 1 रुपया हाडना इलेक्शन करपाचें हांव तुका आतां सांगता कारण कितें बिकॉज यू विदाउट गिविंग UC विच एवर गव्हर्मेंट कंपनी सेंटर इज गॉट नो यूज
तर तुम्ही फायनान्स डिपार्टमेंटाची स्क्रुटिनी चुकयना
कशें चुकयता रे तेका कोण भुरगे सांगता पण देवा खबर हांव चॅलेंज करता तेका हांव सांगता तेका यू शो मी हाव वी कॅन डू अरे ईच अँड एवरी फायल इज गोज टू द फायनान्स इवन पेमेंट्स आर डन बाय द फायनान्स डिपार्टमेंट
बिफोर गोइंग टू
एक सांग म्हाका लग्न गोंयांत जाता गोंय लग्नाचें डेस्टिनेशन हें सगळें खबर आहा सरकारान काल सोपयला एक वेडिंग कार्निवाल म्हणून जंय 3 कोटी रुपया म्हणल्या टू प्रमोट गोवा एज अ वेडिंग डेस्टिनेशन 3 crore rupees that too in Delhi अरे this money seems to be just falling from heaven आता एक सांग म्हाका let him deny that this thing has not been finalized that if they are trying to say that pre-audit जातले pre-audit हाजें जाला सांगून दी म्हणटा की हे तू उलयत तें जावंकूच ना म्हणून सांगचें की जावंकूच ना म्हणून माय चॅलेंज टू हिम
कोण
to
सांगता
say that this has not happened and this has not been given to these agencies and furthermore if you want to argue I am willing to argue the efficacy of making those road shows at those particular points for example in Tokyo you are going to Tokyo you have got 826 tourists as per your tourism website which accounts for 0.18%.
So
Now how much you are spending here? You are
रशियाचो एक टुरिस्ट आणला मरे
you are
मायकल यू रिमेंबर 2002 any tourist was coming from Russia
Michael Bob,
Golf course वगैरे ना, जपानचा येतो.
2002 एक रशियन टुरिस्ट आणलो इट इज अ कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस ऑफ डुईंग विच एवर गव्हर्मेंट वॉज देन इट वॉज अ कंटिन्युअस मार्केटिंग प्रोसेस that today is Russian tourists coming.
Michael
Secondly,
Bob,
there were
see.
no domestic tourists coming during the monsoon.
Bye.
It is a
Michael
continuous
Bob,
effort of the government.
Michaelan सांगलें की soap companies have gone bust.
Right.
They have gone bankrupt. 4 of them are booking rooms, 600 rooms to Goa. Russian, Moscow. मागीर कितें घालता नी? How do they account for it?
I'll tell you one
what is
simple
your
thing.
clear
अरे
cut
त्या
final?
कंपनी मोरो रे
No, no.
त्यो कंपनी मायकल त्यो कंपनी मोरो तुझे म्हाका सांग चार्टर केल्ले लोकांनी खंयचे पयशे दिवपाचे उरल्या
ना, कोणाचे
मागीर
दिवप?
कित्याक नाका विशय काडटा रे
बरें
No,
Michael,
no, what?
quickly.
See,
Son.
my
Quickly,
humble
final
request
point. Yeah.
to the our government also,
Yes, final.
to the chief minister also,
Yes.
that a clear-cut policy has to be formed, which was discussed in the assembly. Honorable Prime Ministeranuy तेच म्हटलं की जंकिट्स करी नाकात. जंकिट्स हे जे इंटरनॅशनल टूर्स और आमचे प्रमोशनल टूर्स जायच हांव ना म्हणना जायच खूंय गरज आहा थिंगा वचोकूच जाय रशिया आमचे लंडन वा आनीक खंयचे 2-3 आनीक 4 कंट्रीनी वचोकूच जाय बट अनवॉन्टेड मनी लायक वेस्टफुल एक्सपेंडिचर आमी कर्टेल
You-
करपाक
you-
जाय
you are
आनी
saying-
ते पयशे आमी एका मोडपाक जाय
Pre-audit जावंक जाय.
हय ना ते पयशे आमी
प्री
इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर
ऑडिट कसले जावपा ते पयलीं विचार
इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जे आहा न्हू इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराक ते पयशे मोडपाक जाय फर्स्ट
प्रायोरिटी शुड बी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर
infrastructure
म्हणजे
and at the same time we cannot stop the
he is
international
telling me to
tours.
stop मारे
No,
बंद
no.
करया माय
No,
बॉम्ब
no.
मारना का
No.
बंद कर बोला हां साला मिनिस्टर सांगता बंद करया म्हणून
इंटरनॅशनल टूर बॉन करी नाका आय एम नॉट सेइंग टू स्टॉप
मिनिस्टरान आणि एमएलएन
you
होयचे न्ही
can-
म्हणजे जीटीसी चेअरमॅन होयचे न्ही हांव एक उतर आयज पळय हांगा आय विल गो
No, no.
बट आय विल नॉट यूज गव्हर्नमेंट मनी आय सांगता तुका इफ दॅट इज द इश्यू
No,
दॅट
no.
इफ वी आर गोइंग
It's
लेट मी
not like that.
फिनिश
It's
इफ इट
not
इज द
like that.
इश्यू दॅट बिकॉज
Of course, MLA has to go.
Politicians going on a junket.
let me finish
Yes.
He has to go.
Okay.
See, I am telling you, if it is an issue that
Of politicians
minister
going on a junket.
or as a chairman of GTDC, because
No,
see,
he has to go.
for going somewhere and learning something and improving something is my objective. If Vijay feels that yes, I should not go, I am telling you, giving a word that I will go for this tour at my cost.
Okay.
That is one thing I will tell.
Final-
Let me finish.
Yeah.
But I have to go because in the state, in next 3 years, I am accountable.
Correct.
I am not
You are
accountable
the
to Vijay. I am
chairperson
not
of
accountable to
GTDC.
Michael. I am accountable to
You are
the
the
people of
chairperson.
Goa.
Okay. Quickly, Vijay Bab, 15 seconds. What is your expectation? He is open for probe. You are happy?
He is not open for. He only says that I will not go. He doesn't say.
He's open for probe on your scam.
100% probe it. You
Yeah.
otherwise also he tells me go to the court. So I'm going to the court. I have more on this. As of the
Baka de mare, and you
moment,
also go.
as of the moment, they have got arrogance of numbers. And they feel that they can do anything. And that is causing
It
them
is
to
not
waste
there.
government money.
I have never gone behind in saying what is wrong in my government.
Okay.
I have been openly in the open house. If something
टाइम
is wrong,
सोंपला
I'm wrong.
म्हजो टाइम सोंपला म्हाका एकच गजाल हातूंतल्यान दिसता की मायकल बाब निलेश बाब आनी विजय बाबा हातूंतल्यान पयली गजाल प्रोब एवरीबडी इज फेवरिंग की जे प्रोब जावनी खरें कितें खोटें कितें जावनी
पयले
फक्त
सुद्दां
2 वर्सांची न्ही ती सगळी 7 वर्सांची जावनी
हय, 7
फाटल्या
वर्सांची जावनी.
फाटली 7 वर्सां जावनी आनी दुसरी गजाल निलेश बाबान सांगलें तशें की जंकेट्स जी जातली थंय आपूण जायल्या स्वताच्या हातूंतल्यान वता पूण तांकां जंकेट म्हणनाकात ते गरजेची गजाली आनी ते टूर जावं दी हो जो विवाह इतल्याचे आमी थांबतात म्हाजो विशय खूब व्हडला परत हाजेर चर्चा करपा जातली तुमी तिगी जाण आयले आनी विशय मांडलो थँक्स लॉट पळयत रावात प्रुडंट नमस्कार